Welcome back in our tutorials. Now we are going to show you how we can store different type of values in an array. We can store different type of values in array in two ways. The first one is we can assign the values during the design time of the program, as well as we can give the values during the runtime of the program. We are going to show you how we can assign the values to the array during the design time of the program by the following program. If you see the program, then it has the header files as usual, then it has the main functions, then this is the name of the array, and we have initialized the values of the array during the design time of the program. If we want to store the values during the design time, then size of the array can be omitted. Size of the array can be left is the compiler automatically count the different values and assign the proper value to the size of the array. If we store the number as follows, actually the array stores the numbers as follows. It declares the 10 size of the array, then all of the memory address will have the same, all of the name will be the NUM is the common name, and each value is identified with their index. The first value is identified with 0, then second value is identified with 1, then third value is by 2, and in this way if we assign 10 numbers, then the last number is stored in the 9th index of the array. So in this here also the 20 is stored in the num0 and 88 is stored in the num9, because this is 0, 1, 2, these are the index of the array used in this program. Now we will show you the output of the following program. Just compile the program, it has no errors, then run the program, then it prints the elements of the array as follows. If you want to show the execution process with watch values, once again you need to go to the window menu, then just click on watch. Here type the name of the variable, just type the I, then just press down arrow key to press the another variable, press the enter key. Now type the name of the variable, this name of the array, that is NUM, just type here, then again type the another this variable, just type the array name with index. Now if you press F7, you will see the values as follows. The program execution begins from the main function, then it goes to the array declaration part. This array will be initialized. Actually this is the garbage value initialized by the program to the array NUM num. Now after executing these lines, the array will be initialized these values will be removed, and the value which we have written inside the curly bracket will be assigned. Just you can notice it. Press the F7 key, then see here whatever the numbers we have assigned, the array has the same values. Now this will clear the screen. Just press F7, this prints the message. Now the for loop will execute as follows. The value of I will be 0 at first, then condition is checked, and this line will be executed, and finally the value of I will be increased. You can notice the value of I is 902 as the garbage value. When this I equal to 0 is executed, then the value of I will be 0. Similarly, see here num I is 20. The value of I is 0, so num I means num0 means the first value of the array, that is 20. So this printf statement will print the 20 on the screen. Just press F7. Now if you want to see the output screen, press Alt and F5. See here the first element has been printed. The value of I has been increased to 1. Then see here num I is 30. Num, that means I means 1, so the second value of this array is num1, that is 30. Once again press F7, then the I will be 2. Now the num2 will be 22. Now if you press F7, and if you want to see the output screen, just press Alt and F5. You see the output as follows: 20, 30 and 22. In this way the value of I is increased by 1, that means it will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and in this way the program will print the values as follows: 33, 44, 55, 66, whatever the value of I, it will display the different type of values. You can see, just notice here, num I is 33. In this way, just press F7 key. The value of num I keeps on changing till the last value. Then the array, all the elements of the array will be printed and program comes to an end. In this way, the array will print all the values from first to last values. Now, if you see the another program, that means we can assign the values to the array even during the runtime. That means, see the following programs. We can show it by using the following programs. See here, this program also stores the 10 numbers in an array and display it, but we can input the 10 numbers during the runtime of the program. Just compile the program. See, it has no error. Then just click on run, and in this way we can store the 10 numbers, just as 44, 66, 55, 33, 22, 11, 33 once again, 77, 88, 99. Now the numbers are displayed as follows. In this way, we can assign the values during the design time as well as during the runtime of the program in an array.